faster engines, there are lighter engines, there are newer engines. But more than 30 years later, one engine still has a reputation unlike any other. People have pushed it beyond 2,000 horsepower. They've broken speed records, won drag races, dominated drifting, and become obsessed with a straight six designed in the early 1990s. So, what made the Toyota 2JZ such a legend? In the late 1980s, Toyota wanted an engine worthy of its flagship performance cars. It had to be smooth, reliable, powerful. Most importantly, it had to survive anything owners could throw at it. The result would become one of the greatest engines ever built. Before the 2JZ came its older brother, the 1JZ, a 2.5-litre straight six that quickly earned a reputation for strength and smooth power. It powered cars like the Chaser, Supra, Mark II, and Cresta. For many enthusiasts, the 1JZ proved Toyota already knew how to build an incredible engine. The 2JZ would simply take everything one step further. In 1991, Toyota unveiled the 2JZ, a 3-litre inline-six with an iron block strong enough to handle enormous power. Naturally, aspirated versions were impressive, but the twin-turbo 2JZ GTE changed everything. Officially, it produced around 276 horsepower. Unofficially, most enthusiasts believe it made considerably more. secret wasn't magic, it was engineering. A closed-deck style iron block, forged crankshaft, exceptionally strong bottom end. Toyota built an engine capable of handling far more than it was ever sold with. While many engines fail when boost increases, the 2JZ simply asks for more. Most people immediately think of the Supra, but the 2JZ quietly powered several other cars. Luxury sedans, executive saloons, even family cars. The Lexus GS300, Toyota Aristo, Toyota Crown, Toyota Supra, Lexus IS300. Many owners had no idea they were driving one of the strongest engines ever built. Tuners soon realized something incredible. The factory internals were unbelievably strong. With basic modifications, the 2JZ comfortably produced 500 horsepower. With larger turbos, 1,000 became possible. Today, some professionally built examples produce more than 2,000 horsepower. Few production engines have earned that reputation. Then, Hollywood introduced the world to a bright orange Supra. Suddenly, millions of people wanted one. Demand exploded, prices skyrocketed. The Supra became more than a sports car. It became an icon, and the 2JZ became the engine everyone dreamed of owning. Decades later, the 2JZ still refuses to disappear. It powers drift cars, drag cars, time attack machines, street builds, even engine swaps into cars Toyota never imagined. Few engines have lasted this long at the top. Even fewer have become legends. JZ wasn't just another engine, it became a symbol. Proof that reliability and performance could exist together, and even today. Builders around the world continue chasing one goal, to build the ultimate 2JZ. But the question is, did Toyota accidentally create the greatest performance engine ever made? Let us know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Redline Syndicate. Next time, we're taking on the most dangerous rally stages in the world, the roads where one mistake can end everything.